Hey viewers, welcome to the next session on linear equations. First we will take up the homework and discuss the homework sums. I hope you all would have done it. Please check your homework. Okay. Now the first sum, root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. Root 3x minus root 8y is also equal to 0. Now if you notice in this equation, yesterday I gave it as a clue. It doesn't have a constant term, so that itself is a clue that the common solution for both the equations is 0, 0. But we cannot, I want you to verify with actual calculation also, that too by the substitution method that we are going to do now. Okay, let us check whether you are getting the same values 0, 0 for x and y. Okay, now so as usual the substitution method is, here we will take up this first equation and second equation. We will first number them. From the second equation we get root 3x is equal to root 8y. Okay, from this goes to the other side, so root 3x is equal to root 8y. Therefore what is your x is equal to root 8 by root 3y. Are you getting it? Are you understanding? Now what is the rule? We have to substitute this value in the first equation. So if you substitute, you will get root 2 into root 8 divided by root 3y plus root 3y is equal to 0 you will get. Are you getting it? So this is the first step. Now you simplify that, you will get root 16 by root 3y plus root 3y is equal to 0. Now root 16 is nothing but 4y, and then if you take it as root 3 as the common denominator, this becomes what? Root 3 into root 3, 3y divided by root 3 equal to 0. So you will get 7y is equal to 0, therefore y equal to 0. Are you understanding? Is that clear to you? Simply I have proceeded by taking the variable x in terms of y and substituted in the second equation. I got this solution. Are you understanding it? Okay. Now just because y is equal to 0, you substitute here for x, we get x also to be 0. So x equal to 0 is the next solution. Therefore we have got x equal to 0, y is equal to 0 as the solution for this equation. Hope you would have got it. Please check your answer. Let us move on to the second sum. This is the sixth subdivision of exercise 3.3. Now as usual we number the equations. Let us take the first equation. So 3x by 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 5y by 3. Okay. Now we are going to balance this. So we'll get minus 6 plus 5y by 3, which is equal to 3x by 2. Cross multiplying, we will get 9x is equal to minus 12 plus 10y. 3 3s are 9, 9x. 2 into minus 6 minus 12, 2 into 5y gives you 10y. Therefore I get x is equal to minus 12 plus 10y by 9. Are you understanding? This is the value of x. This x value has to be substituted in the second equation. So if you substitute, I get now 9, x is x by 3. So minus 12 plus 10y by 9 and by 3. So we will get one more 3 here. Is that clear to you? So this 3 can be clearly written like this, and then plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. This is, you can call it as equation 3, or you can even proceed without numbering also. It is not going to make much of difference. Okay, are you ready? Now here 9 3s are 27 and 2. So the LCM of 27 and 2 is obviously 54. So I am taking 54 as the common denominator and simplify the LHS. So this is 27 and 2 we have to multiply every term by 2. So it is minus 24 plus 20y. Are you understanding? I have multiplied the numerator by 2. So minus, be very careful. You will have a tendency to make mistakes because of so many numbers in the numerator and the denominator. Okay. So 2 times minus 24 plus 20y, and here we have to multiply it by 27. So I will get 27y is equal to 13 by 6. Is that clear to all of you? Okay, now I can straight away cancel this, or I will write like this: 24 plus 20 plus 27 gives you 47y, and 47y, 20 plus 27 gives you, so that is equal to 54 into 13 by 6. Why I have written like this? I don't want to multiply 54 into 13 and again getting into a bigger number. So I can easily cancel, because 6 and 54 are, 6 is a factor for 54 and 54 is a multiple of 6. So I can as well write so that this denominator will get cancelled. So if I do so, this is 9 times, and 9 times 13 is what, children? It is 127. Is that clear to all of you? Therefore I get 47y is equal to 117 plus 24. Can you tell me what is this value? 141. Therefore y is equal to 141 by 47, giving you the answer 3. So we have got y as 3. Okay, now we have to substitute in the equation. X is equal to what? X is equal to minus 12 plus y is 330 by 9. So what is this? Minus 30 plus 30 minus 12 will give you, the value is 18, right? 18 by 9 gives you 2. So now tell me what is x is equal to? 2 and y is equal to 3. Therefore I write x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 as the solution of this equation. Is that clear to all of you? Okay, take it. Have you all got this? You please find out where you made mistakes, in case if you have made mistakes. If you have not made mistakes, definitely I'll give you a thumbs up. Very good. Shall we proceed to the next sum? Yes. We'll proceed to the second sum in given exercise. This is question number 2. Solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. 2x minus 5y is equal to minus 24. And hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. Now you give one more reading of the sum. So what do you understand from this? So find the solutions, okay, you will do it. And hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3 means, any guesses? Some of you are getting the answer. First step, what you have said is right. Using substitution method, we are going to solve the two equations and get the value of x and y. What's the second step, children? After getting the value of x and y, we have to substitute in this equation. Y is equal to mx plus 3. We can even number this as 3. So this is the first equation, this is the second equation, this is the third equation. We are going to number this equation. Okay, y is equal to mx plus. Substitute those values in this equation, and here the m value is not known. We have to find out. Is that clear to you? Shall we proceed? First let us solve these two equations. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. Therefore, your 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y. Therefore, x is equal to 11 minus 3y by 2. Have you understood this? Is that clear? Now, this value has to be substituted in the second equation. So, if you substitute, it is 2 into 11 minus 3y by 2 minus 4y is equal to minus 24. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So you get 11 minus 3y minus 4y is equal to minus 24. You will get 11 minus 7y is equal to minus 24. Can you tell me what is the next one? So minus 7y, 11 goes to the other side. So you will get minus 7y is equal to minus 35. So you will get minus 7y is equal to minus 7y, therefore y is equal to minus 35 by minus 7, that's equal to 5. Clear? Are you understanding? Y is equal to 5. Okay. Now this y we have to substitute for y in this, x is equal to, or you can substitute here in this equation, that is all your wish, where you can substitute here, you can substitute here, or you can even get from this. Okay. So if you take this, x is equal to 11 minus 3 into 5 is 15 and by 2, that gives you minus 4 by 2. So you will get minus 2 for x value. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 5 is the solution for this sum. Are you understanding? X is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 5. Now, do you think that sum is over with this? It's not over. We have to substitute these values in the third equation, y is equal to mx plus 3, in order to get the value of m. Shall we try that? So it must be 5 is equal to mx, m into x is what? Minus 2 plus 3. Is that clear? So that 3 is transposed to the LHS, we will get 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 2m. Therefore, you will get 2 is equal to minus 2m, which gives the value minus 1 is equal to m. So, m is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 5. This is how you have to sum up your answer and finish the sum. Is that clear to you? Let us move on to question number 3. Question number 3 has got 3 subdivisions. We will solve one by one. Okay. Form the pair of linear equations for the following and find the solution by substitution method. Okay. That is, we are given a situation. For that situations, you should find a linear equation. And once you obtain the linear equations, you have to solve it. By which method? By substitution method. Is that clear to you? The first situation is given here. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. Okay. The difference between two numbers is given to be what? 26. And one number is 3 times the other. So how to get the equations first? So let us take one number as x and the second number as y. Is that clear to you? This is your first number and this is your second number c. What is given here? See, obviously when there are two numbers and the difference is some value, means one is greater than the other. Correct? So let us take x as the greater number and y is the smaller number. Is that clear to you? We are taking x as the greater number and y as the smaller number. Okay. Now here the difference between the two numbers is, the first situation is x minus y is equal to 26 is the sum. Let us number this as 1. Are you getting it? Now one number is 3 times the other. That means we take x as the greater number, isn't it? So obviously x must be equal to 3y. Is that clear to all of you? So this is what you have to think a little, read, understand the sum, and then you have to proceed. Okay. So obviously one will be the greater number and the greater number happens to be 3 times the smaller number. Okay. This is very important for you. Okay, so x is equal to 3y. There is no separate substitution needed. As it is, we have got x value as 3 times y, means straight away you can substitute in the first equation. So x is equal to 3y means 3y minus y is equal to 26, that is 2y is equal to 26, and then y is equal to 13. Are you understanding? Y is equal to 13. Therefore, what will be x? X is 3 times y. So, 3 into 13, that gives you 39. Is it clear to all of you? Therefore, x is equal to 39 and y is equal to, we have got 13. Okay, so you cannot leave the answer as x and y. You should write the statement. That's very important. Therefore, you should write the numbers are 39 and 13. So, what is the sum? Sum tells you x minus y is equal to 26. Are you not getting? 39 minus 13 gives you 26. And then obviously x is 3 times y. So x is 3 times of 13 which is equal to 39. That's how you have to end up the sum. Is that clear to you? Shall we proceed to the second situation? Let us move on to the second subdivision. The larger of the two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18. Find them. Okay. Now here again we have to go back to the fundamentals. When we say two supplementary angles, the sum has to be what? 180 degrees. Therefore, the first equation is obtained. X plus y is equal to 180 degrees. This is equation number 1. Now when we say the larger exceeds the smaller by 18 means either we can have one smaller angle plus 18 equal to the larger angle, larger angle minus 18 is equal to the smaller angle, correct? Or the difference of the two angles is 18. So 2-3 ways we can take it. Are you understanding? So you choose x as the larger angle means x has to be y plus 18. That is also, so there are 3 ways of looking at it, correct? So x minus y 18, that is one equation you will get. Even though all the 3 are same, the formation will come like this. Is it clear to you? So y plus 18 gives you x, that is also possible. Third possibility is x minus y is equal to 18. So in order to do the substitution method, by substitution method, what I can take? X is the larger angle. I will take the smaller angle as y means your x is equal to y plus 18. So that is very simple. So let us take, so directly we can substitute in this to get this answer. Are you understanding, children? This is how you should analyze and take the easier one always. Okay. Here as it is, you will get x is equal to y plus 18. Okay. This is one equation. So here I will substitute, number it. Substitute here y plus 18 plus y gives you 180. Therefore, 2y is equal to 18 goes to the other side. 180 minus 18. Can you tell me what is this value? This is 162. Therefore, y is equal to 162 by 2. That gives you 81. Is it clear? Are you understanding? Now y is equal to 18 means obviously what is x is equal to? Can you tell by mind? 81 plus 18 gives you 99. Therefore x is equal to 81 plus 18 giving you the value 99. Therefore x is equal to 99, y is equal to 81. Of course you cannot leave the answer as it is. You should write therefore the angles are. This is very important, you should write 81 and 99. This answer statement is very important for equation sums.